Hello, I'm Jay Carnes, and for this walking tour, we will be taking a look around Carlsbad and checking out the many historic buildings there are. Our first stop on our walking tour is Robert C. Fursey Beach, named after the mayor of Carlsbad from 1972 to 1974. Our second stop is the McGee House, which was built by Samuel McChurch Smith, one of the original founders of Carlsbad in 1887. Our third stop is the Army-Navy Academy, which was founded by Thomas A. Davis in 1910. The Army-Navy Academy is a boarding school for boys grades 7 through 12. Our fourth stop is the Carlsbad Mineral Water Wells. It was founded by the co-founder of Carlsbad, Captain John A. Fraser, when he sank 3 wells and discovered the rich mineral water. Our fifth stop is the Carlsbad sign, which welcomes visitors to Carlsbad. The current sign is a replica of the sign that was up in the 30s. Our sixth stop are the Twin Inns, which were built in 1887 for a man named Gerhard Suit, whose role in the development of Carlsbad got him the name the Father of Carlsbad. Our seventh stop is the Carlsbad Village Station, which served as a train station from 1887 to 1960. It is now a visitor center. Our final stop is Maxton Brown Park. There isn't very much history behind this place, but it has a spectacular view of the Buena Vista Lagoon, and it is a perfect place to end our tour.